Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use buttons on CAD. To begin, open your CAD editor and click the plus icon to add a new element. Select Buttons from the available options. A default button will appear on your canvas. You can then immediately start customizing its text and destination link. This initial step is straightforward, allowing you to quickly place a functional button. Once your button is placed, dive into the Design panel. Here, you can adjust its size, choosing from options like small, medium, or large, and even set a custom width. Experiment with different shapes, from rounded corners to fully circular designs. Select a primary color and a contrasting text color to ensure high visibility. You can also choose from hundreds of fonts to perfectly match your site's aesthetic. Now, let's make your button functional. In the settings, you'll find the URL field. Here, you can paste an external website link, an email address, or even a phone number for direct calls. For internal navigation, link to a specific section on your CAD page. You can also set the button to open a modal window or download a file, offering versatile interaction options for your visitors. To maximize your button's effectiveness, consider their placement. Position them where they are easily seen, perhaps above the fold or near relevant content. Always use clear, action-oriented text like "Learn more" or "Get started" to guide your users. Finally, thoroughly test every button on various devices, including mobile phones and tablets, and across different web browsers to ensure flawless functionality for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.